Hello everybody! In this video, I will introduce you to English Grammar 2. So, let us start with the course objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify the role of grammar forms in contextualized settings. What I mean by contextualized settings is that you're going to be exposed to certain audiovisual material and academic journals, and you grasp the idea out of this material, so you can create your own sentences and you share them with your classmates so others can analyze those sentences. So we're gonna be trying to create our own text to analyze. We will see how it works. The methodology. Be aware that in this new learning environment, we will be making use of synchronous and asynchronous classes. If you are not familiar with these terms, well, synchronous class is one that everybody is connected at the same time. So this is done through video conferences. We will have our synchronous class on Wednesdays from 8:30 to 10 a.m. Before each class, I'll send you the link for you to log in the video conference platform. On Mondays, you will see the asynchronous class, which will be made up by videos, podcasts, journals, or any other type of material. So an asynchronous class is one that you work at your own pace. You know that on Wednesdays you have to come to the synchronous class, so you will have Monday and Tuesday to prepare for this class. So you can read the journals, you can watch the videos at any time during Monday or Tuesday. But remember that on Wednesday you have to be prepared for the class. Our communication channels will be through the institutional mail, the internal mail on Moodle, the Moodle chat, and for every week I will make available the question and answer forum thread in Moodle. When am I gonna be responding your messages? Well, I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible, but I will be responding after 24 hours of having received that message. On weekends, yes, I'll be responding messages on weekends, but just until Saturday at 4 p.m. On Sundays, I will be off. The availability of class materials will be each Wednesday at 5 p.m. I highly recommend you to come prepared for the synchronous class, which will happen on Wednesdays at 8:30 a.m. In virtual settings, we need to talk about netiquette. And you know, netiquette is all these set of rules that we are supposed to follow to have a really good interaction online. Remember, this is a Catholic institution, so we need to be respectful towards their philosophy, respect the dignity and privacy of each of the participants in this course. You know, let us be kind, let us practice good manners, say hello, thank you, goodbye, just nice vocabulary. Remember that if you always write in uppercase, that is considered rude. Unless you are making a point, use uppercase, but do not abuse them, okay? Yes, let us be careful with our spelling, our grammar. Do not send spam messages. I mean, we don't need them. Remember that sometimes our words can be misunderstood, so let us be careful on how we word our messages. And let us try to avoid copying and paste if we will do it. So let us acknowledge the author rights, okay? Yes, in general, let us try to be nice to each other. Our first period will look like this. There will be three grammatical structures, and those grammatical structures will be studied with the use of podcasts, YouTube videos, pedagogical journals. Okay. The evaluation system will include 4 main activities. We will have a case scenario script, a paper reflection, a video reflection, although this is not a speaking course, but I just want to acknowledge the speaking skill in the course, and a problem-solving activity. Some of these activities may be done in pairs, but we will talk later about it. May you have any question? Well, you know the channels of communication, so do not hesitate and send me an email, post something in the chat, and I'll be reaching you as soon as I can. Thanks.